So this happened. This is what it looked like for about a week. And I was under the impression that, the leaves were still trying to develop and emerge from the pod. So I was just going about my business. And then this happened. It fell right off as I was reaching for another plant to water and I accidentally bumped it. Y'all, I was so upset. I was so aggravated. And I still kind of am. I'm not even going to lie. But luckily, so far it doesn't look like there's any significant damage that's been done to the rest of the plant. But I'm still upset about it. Since it popped off, I decided to open up the pod to see what it was looking like in there because why not? How often do you get to see the development process? And it already popped off. I wasn't about to glue it back on and hope for the best. So yeah, why not? But this is what it looks like. I can't really explain to you what's happening because I don't know. But if you do, let me know. Let me know something, educate me because I would love to know what exactly is happening here. I would love to put the right words to it. But I mean, I just placed it in some water just to see what would happen. I was hoping that it either would grow a new leaf or the this leaf would continue to get bigger. But it didn't. It actually just fell out and then I threw it away. So, I mean, there's that. But honestly, y'all, these soursop seedlings have been giving me attitude. I've I've really just been trying to love them and give them the natural sunlight they deserve. They don't like it. They do not like it at all. That's actually why they're curled up. They've calmed down a little bit though. You know, they're calming down. I don't think they're as mad at me as they were before, but I found that they're more comfortable under a light. So, I mean, that's where I'll leave them if they're happy. But I really just want them to love me as much as I love them. Just stop with the attitude, stop popping off, and let's all be happy. Like, it's not hard. Am I asking for too much? I feel like I'm asking for too much from these little seedlings, but I mean, it is what it is. We'll see what happens. If you haven't already, check out my previous video that I did on actually these soursop seedlings. The link is right here in the top corner, the top right corner, I'm sorry. In this video, I repotted them before they actually sprouted because the roots look like they were just growing in air. And in my opinion, it didn't look like they would emerge from or through the dirt anytime soon.